Hi and welcome back to the channel, Paul's DIY Tools, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 21 volt mini chainsaw. So let's move over to the workbench and take a look. Okay, so to start with we have a nice blown plastic hard case. We have the chainsaw itself, which the version I went for was the 6-inch. Spare chain, charger, and I went with the version with the 2 batteries, 21 volts, 2 amp hour. You got the tool for changing the chain and a small screwdriver to adjust the tension on the chain. Okay, the 6-inch 21 volt cordless chainsaw. As I said, it came with 2 of these 21 amp hour batteries. I will point out that there's no charge indicator on these batteries, so it will be a case of while you're using it you'll obviously feel the power dropping off, and then you'll know you've got to go and charge your batteries again. It feels good. I mean, it feels a good standard of plastic casing. Whether it'd take many knocks and bangs, can't really say, but it feels good in the hand. It's got a nice rubberized grip. You've got your safety element there. That does need to be pushed in to get the trigger up to start the saw. The manual states that these batteries from a flat state is 3 hours. It says in the manual that it's got a chain speed of 5 meters per second, and the actual charger, which I've just charged this battery up, this little light here, when the battery state is in need of charge, will be red, and it'll go green once the batteries are charged. Now, to actually adjust the tension on this chain, you will have to loosen up this nut first, and then you've got that little screw in there that you can then adjust the chain, and they recommend that you adjust it till you've got 2 to 3 mil of play in the chain. And with the chainsaw fitted with its battery, to be honest, it's a nice balanced weight. You know, it's been designed to use with one hand. I have seen some reviews where they say you can put your hand here. That's what this is for. And also, just in case you get any kickback, you're not going to come up into your face with it. That you can put 2 hands on there, but I'll go through that and we'll try it a couple of different ways once I've got some pieces of wood set up. I haven't purchased this to be pruning trees and hedgerows. I'm basically thinking I'm going to use this for upcycling pallet wood. It's just another tool that I get hold of a nice wooden pallet, I can cut it up with this. But like I say, I'll set up some wood types and we'll see how it goes. Okay, we're going to start with a piece of wood, 1 3/4 by 1 1/4. Let's see how we get on. Okay, piece of decking board. piece of 60mm by 35mm. And a piece of soft pine. Piece of plywood. Piece of 1.25 by 3 1.25 inches. Okay, bit of a wrap up on the 6-inch cordless chainsaw. It's certainly going to do what I purchased it for, upcycling pallet wood and that kind of thing. I can't imagine for a minute that it's going to struggle cutting some medium-sized branches and that kind of thing. If people are purchasing it for that, pruning edges and that kind of thing, I can't see it having any issues at all. In regards to the battery, after that demonstration, it took 25 minutes to recharge the battery to a full state. But yeah, in regards to the tool, I'm happy with that. A nice piece of kit. Please consider subscribing to the channel if any of my reviews help. Hit the bell button and you'll get notified when I upload new reviews. So yeah, thank you very much for watching.